Hey guys, it's Stephanie here. Thanks for coming back to our channel. Today I wanted to show you how we put the ceiling fan in and how we put the solar panel on our van. This is going to be a little bit longer video than usual, so stay around. If you have any questions, like always, put them in the comments. Or until then, let's go. So we started off like we always do, where we clean and we prep the space. Then we took the time to go in and measure from each side to make sure we knew where the ceiling fan wanted to go. Now, something about this we also had to consider was that our solar panels are going on top of the van. So we had to make sure we had enough space for all three things to fit. After we had the preparations in place, we went ahead and took and cut out the ceiling. Now, Chris used a jigsaw to do this, and then afterwards he went in with a Dremel tool to make sure it fit in really tightly and close. Next, we put on the top so that we could prepare the surface for the ceiling fan to stick to. What you're seeing here is called butyl tape. It comes in a big roll, and we used it to attach the ceiling fan to the vehicle before we laid down the screws. The ceiling fan we have is a Maxx Air 1500, I believe, and it came with two separate pieces, one that went underneath inside the van and one that goes on top of the van. The butyl tape just helped us keep it in place so that we could put those pieces together and then screw them in. Here you have it, finished and ready for power. When our solar panels arrived, we could not wait. We started putting the brackets on and then took them outside to get ready. We were able to directly screw our brackets into our van. We found areas that didn't have much curve and we went from there. As you can see here, after we figured out we wanted them, we put tape around them, we went ahead and marked where they should go, and then we were able to start drilling where we wanted those holes. After we got the first one in place, you had to connect the two different solar panels. They each had wires so that they could work together inside the van. I am going to make a separate video that will show you how we actually connected all of our power and the different items we used to make it safe. So that's all for this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do go ahead and leave your comments and questions below. I do answer all of the questions. I didn't go into extreme detail as there was so much that went into this, but I'd be happy to answer your questions. Until next time, subscribe.